Okay, so we got the,
Thing.
this is the little one where we can, clamp it to the desk and we can make videos on the desk and maybe in the car too, huh?
Yeah, I can't because I want to make Swampy though.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then we're going to open up the big box.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Okay, so we're taking out the light ring.
Look my handband.
It's so cute, Aspen.
I buy that.
And we have the lighting kit. All right, take that out, Aspen.
Okay. I'm so happy.
Whoa, super cool. Okay, so now let's put it together and we can film.
Yeah.
So we put the small one together. It's extremely sturdy and it goes on the side of any table. And this part goes onto here and you have to snap it in like that. And then you pull this ring like this to tighten it up so that any position that you want to film. Okay, then the light comes with different levels.
Hello.
Lighter, darker. I'm gonna let Aspen film.
Oh.
Okay, so this is what we call the baby lighting kit. And that was fun. Comes with on off, different types, brighter, not bright. And now we have this to set up next.
Hey guys, look.
Okay, so Aspen's gonna go to the park with her cousins, and when she gets back, Mommy will have this put together and we can do a video with our new equipment.